To December, this is we have our granite in. We have a problem with this seam here. The seam is right there. You can see that, but it's not even. You can see when you take a board here, when you tap on it, it's clearly going up and down as if it's not level. Now you compare that to this other seam over here. You take a straight edge. You see that seam there. You can see that it's level. But this here is just no good. I mean, it's quite obvious that it's not even close. I mean, these people, they should have a straight edge.